Marmox Multiboard screw and washer fixing instructions for wooden floors. Make sure the floor is level and any loose floorboards have been firmly secured. Any thickness multiboard can be used on sheet flooring when fixing with screws and washers. It is not recommended, however, to use screws and washers on traditional floorboards. Use a steel screw and Marmox washer every 300 mm and ensure that the screws embed at least 30 mm into the wooden flooring below. Use 3 rows of 4 fixings for short boards, with the outer fixings 1 inch in from the edges. Tape all the joints with Marmox reinforcing tape. If the area needs to be waterproof, use Marmox self-adhesive waterproof tape and ensure all corners as well as joints are taped. To finish, you can tile with or without heating wire. Simply apply the tiles directly to the multiboard, or if using heating wire, lay the wire onto the multiboard and tile directly on top.